If you want to go from looking like this to this, I think you should sit down and relax, because today I'm going to be showing you how to do it. So before we start anything, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Love. So on here, I create beauty videos, lifestyle videos, vlogs, and even nursing videos. And if that interests you, please subscribe to my channel. I really want to get to 1,000 subscribers, and I've been doing this for over 3 years now, though I've been inconsistent. But please guys, I really want to take this serious, and I hope that you help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get into the video. So first of all, we are using the Lush kinky hair. I feel like Lush is a really good product. Texture is really nice. When it comes to texture, please give it to Lush, because Lush, they really do lush it. Then we have our edge control latte comb. That's the name. I have this one. I have this one. I like to work with a variety of combs because I know that I might be needing them in the process. And then I do have this bunch of rubber band I've always had. These small rubber bands I've always had for a really long time. However, I got some yesterday. I got all black yesterday, so I'm going to be using that in this video. And we do have a scissors here. So I'm going to start by dividing my hair into 3 equal parts, and then I'll braid it like 4 times. After braiding like 4 times, I'm then going to go in with the extension, the Lush kinky extension. I try to add my extension on each braid. I added 2 extensions on each braid and 3 extensions in the front part of my hair. And guys, I just want to tell you that this hairstyle is not hard at all. It is not difficult. The only difficult part is adding your extensions, and trust me, people have ways they add their extensions, but mine is quite different. So you can just add your extensions the way that you want to add your extensions. After braiding your hair, do not forget to leave some part of your hair towards the end where you can do your puff or your balls. So guys, I'm just gonna let you watch the rest of the video and see how we achieve this beautiful hairstyle. So before I go, I just want to remind you to please subscribe to my channel. I want to get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year, and that's like a big dream of mine. So guys, please do not watch without subscribing to my channel. I will see you at the end of the video. Bye. Hi guys, so we are done with this particular look. This is the first step. It took me a few hours to get all of this done, but that's not a problem. So right now we're going to just go just start rolling it into the balls here. So guys, we are back again, and this part is the most interesting part of the hairstyle. So right now you are going to get a rubber band, size up where you want your balls or your puff to be. After doing that, you then tie your rubber band to the hair. Make sure your rubber band is really tight. After tying it, you make a puff, like you make a cup inside of that puff, and then try to fold the many ends of the hair into that cup you made. Make sure the ends of the hair enters into the cup that you made, and make sure you are satisfied with whatever you are doing before you move to the next. And trust me guys, it is not that complicated. If you watch closely what I'm doing here, you would definitely get it. And if you're still watching to this very part, trust me, you are an OG. And don't forget to subscribe so you can see more videos like this on my channel. So guys, we are finally done with this beautiful hairstyle, and it's time to just do a little touch on it. We are going to be adding our hair mousse, and after that we are done. Please guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos of me on your feed. Okay, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, love you so much.